Why Symbols Matter. Julius Evola's essay, The Inversion of Symbols, has 10 key ideas on why symbols matter in politics. First thing communists did after winning power: invert the meaning of 3 traditional symbols: the color red, the word revolution, the symbol of the pentagrammic star. Evola on red. In ancient Rome, the emperor was dressed and dyed in purplish red to represent Jove, the king of the gods. In Catholicism, the princes of the church, the cardinals, wear a scarlet red robe. Traditionally, red has been linked with hierarchy, order, and power. In classical antiquity, fire was linked with the color red. The heaven above heaven was composed of pure fire. Red stood for authority and hierarchy, but in the 20th century it was co-opted by Marxists and made to represent the opposite: equality, masses, and democracy. The word revolution. Evola. Revolution in the primary sense doesn't mean subversion and revolt, but really even the opposite: return to a point of departure and ordinary motion around a center. In physics, this holds true. A planet's revolution means gravitating around a center. Revolutions keep planets in a stable orbit. Traditional societies imagined a revolution to be a movement that keeps the moral universe spinning in harmony, but Evola notes that revolutions now mean moving away from stable centers, charm, destruction of regularity. Evola. Modern revolution is the opposite of the traditional meaning of the term. The social and political forces loosen from their natural orbit, decline, know no longer a center nor any order, other than a badly and temporarily stamped disorder. Evola on the pentagram. The pentagram, a star, traditionally stood for man's destiny as the microcosm that contained the macrocosm. It represented man as the image of the world and of God, dominator of all the elements, thanks to his dignity and his supernatural destination. The star represented man as spiritually integrated and supernaturally sovereign, but Marxists took this symbol and changed its meaning. They collectivized it. It went on the flags of USSR and Communist China, becoming destructive of every higher value. Evola. This degradation of symbols is an extremely significant and eloquent sign of the times. Symbols are the universal visual language. This radical transformation of their meaning is not accidental. They are intentionally retooled for inversion, subversion, and degradation.